How to enable YouTube full screen settings. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up YouTube on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down. Now under video and audio preferences, tap on playback. Now enable the toggle for zoom to full screen. Now once you enable this setting, every video on the YouTube will appear full screen when you play it. Now when you go to any video, now play the video and tap on the full screen icon. Now this will play the video in full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.